If you're looking for an amazing hosting offer through which you can save maximum amount of money, then you are at the right video, because in this video I will give you a special discount link through the description of this video, plus two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discount on already running offer of hostingers. So now to grab this amazing offer, what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing offer running by Hostinger, and you know that you can use this coupon code on already running offer to get additional discount. So guys, watch this video in full. If you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger is being recommended by almost every famous website on the internet, making it a very good hosting company. These are the three most popular plan. You can use this coupon code on any of this offer to get additional discount. And if you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger do not compromise on being fast, secure and reliable. This is their motto. And you can create websites in seconds through the powerful Hostinger AI builder, and you're getting free domain with all of the annual plans at Hostinger. And in case if you're coming from another hosting company to Hostinger, they have a dedicated website migration service through which you can easily transfer your website to Hostinger from any other hosting company, that too hassle free. And the control panel is super easy, super friendly. With this offer, you're getting a control panel, which is very easy. Even a newbie can operate it. And you know that Hostinger also do not compromise on being very good in speed, reliability, efficiency. Plus, they have local data centers all around in the world. You can see over here, and you do not have to pay any extra money to get your hosting being shifted into a preferred location. And the security features are just mind blowing. You are getting automatic backups, SSL security certificates, DDoS attack prevention through the Cloudflare protected name server, and right now 3 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company. And even I'm using this offer to get the maximum discount. Now to grab this offer, what you have to do is to simply select any plan to get additional coupon code discount. But I highly recommend you guys to do a thorough search by simply select the see all features and do a thorough review of all the plans and functions before you select the any choose plan on any plan. Don't worry, as being told before, that you can select any deal to get additional discount already running discount. So I highly recommend you guys to do a thorough research before you select any offer at Hostinger. Once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page like this where you can use this special discount coupon code deal. You can see over here the page is loaded. The limited time deal is running right now. Select your billing period. Hostinger offer a variety of billing period, but I recommend you guys to get the maximum discount with this offer by opting for the 48 months. But you can select any as per your convenience and your budget. After this, select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code to get further discount on already running offer. Once you select the apply, you're gonna see that your price got a further discount. Now there is another coupon as well which you can use, and you can also find that one in the description of this video as well. It is with the name of HI10. Simply select the apply over here, and you're gonna see that your price got a further discount. After this, simply select the continue over here to move on to the last page at Hostinger. Here you can see that your offer has a discount already loaded. Now write your billing details and simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, you will be landed to the final question, and that is selecting your preferred payment mode. And Hostinger offer variety of payment mode, so you can select any as per convenience. Let's say I'm going with a credit card. Simply select the credit card, write your billing details over here, and simply select the submit button. That how easily you can buy your hosting from Hostinger. So wait a second to get it loaded. So now write your card details over here and simply select the submit button. That how easily you can enjoy this Hostinger offer. I've been using Hostinger from the last 3 years and my experience is superb, really good. So I highly recommend you guys to take the advantage of this amazing offer. So good luck with your Hostinger discount coupon code deal. Thank you.